Today, we're diving into part one of a series on Elgato's new Neo lineup. This is the Elgato Wave Neo, a microphone that promises crystal clear audio, seamless integration, and sustainable packaging. And speaking of packaging, I love that the Neo is packaged in recycled materials. Elgato's climate-friendly commitment means no plastic to throw away, and honestly, I don't mind tossing this package into the recycling bin or even the landfill. Now, I have to be upfront with you. You're not going to hear me share audio samples in this video because, well, you're already listening to it. That's right. I've been using the Wave Neo to record all of the audio in this review and for my last 4 retroCombs-Tech videos. If you're curious about how it sounds, just listen in and sound off in the comments below. Let me know what you think. I tweaked the sound just a bit using the included software, more on that software later, and recorded using Audio Hijack Pro on my Mac. I think it sounds great. Let's talk about why this mic stands out. First, it's plug and play, so whether you're connecting it to your laptop, iPad, PS5, or even your phone, it's ready to go right out of the box with a USB-C cable. Seamless integration is key, and for those of you using Elgato's Stream Deck app, this mic can be fully controlled at the press of a button or a turn of the dial. Talk about convenience. One of the most intuitive features is the tap to mute function. With a simple tap, you can instantly mute your mic, and the LED indicator gives you immediate feedback. So there's no second guessing. Plus, the headphone jack gives you 0 delay monitoring, meaning what you hear is what's being recorded with no lag. The high-rise stand design is another winner. It lifts the microphone above the desk level, keeping it close to your mouth for better audio capture while reducing background noise like keyboard clicks and mouse movement. It's a small design tweak, but it makes a big difference. I keep the mic about 8 inches away from my mouth and think it does a great job of only capturing my voice and sounds fantastic. If you already like what you see and hearing with the Neo Wave, just check out the link in the video description below. Click to learn more or grab one for yourself. It's as easy as, well, setting up this mic. For those of you who like to fine-tune your audio, the WaveLink app is just a free download away. It lets you shape your sound, control your mix, and even add effects with just a few clicks. With 7 powerful actions available in the app, you can control everything from input and output volume to muting channels and toggling effects, all from your Stream Deck even if you like. And there's even a dedicated Stream Deck Neo for the entire Neo lineup, though you can also use any other Stream Deck model. More on the Stream Deck Neo in a future video, so make sure you hit that subscribe button below. As a teaser, I've set up my Wave Neo with the Stream Deck Neo for easy control of the microphone. I'm just scratching the surface of what's possible when you put these two together. So if you're looking for an affordable mic that minimizes distortion, offers pro-level sound quality, and integrates perfectly with your existing Elgato setup, the Wave Neo should be on your radar. With its sustainable design and versatile compatibility and its amazing cost, it's perfect for any setup, whether you're a streamer, podcaster, or you just need high-quality audio for those virtual meetings. And as a reminder, this is just the start. In part 2, I'll be reviewing the Keylight Neo, followed by the Stream Deck Neo in part 3. So stay tuned for those. But before you go, check out my review of the FreeWrite Smart Typewriter by clicking here. It's perfect if you're looking for a focused, distraction-free writing tool. That's it for me. retroCombs out.